everyone, welcome to the channel. If you're just starting your journey with JavaScript or looking to strengthen your foundations, today's video is going to be super helpful. We are diving deep into loops in JavaScript, what they are, how they work, and when to use each type. So grab a coffee, sit tight, and let's make loops easy and fun. What are loops? So, what exactly is a loop in programming? A loop is a way to repeat a block of code multiple times without writing it over and over. This helps save time and makes your code cleaner and more efficient. JavaScript gives you several types of loops, and each one is useful in different situations. As I said before, it keeps on repeating without writing it over and over. It automates tasks, enhances efficiency, and process data. Let's start with the most common loop, the for loop. It looks like this. The for loop is ideal for known iterations. It requires an initialization, condition, and increment and decrement. Here's what's happening. We start with I equals to 0, which check if I is less than 5. If true, the code inside the loop runs. After each loop, we increment I by 1 using I++. This will print numbers 0 through 4. Simple, right? Use a for loop when you know exactly how many times you want to repeat something. Here's a simple example explained. This loop runs 5 times. It prints numbers from 0 to 4. It's concise for fixed. Next up, we have the while loop. It's great when you don't know exactly how many times the loop should run, but you have a condition. As long as the condition is true, the loop will keep running. Just remember to update the variable inside the loop or you will end up with an infinite loop. When to use it? When the number of iteration is unknown. It continues as long as the condition is true. Here's a simple example of while. Next up is the do while loop, which is similar to while, but it always runs at least one even if the condition is false. It ensures first execution. The do while loop always executes its block at least once. The condition is checked after first iteration. Syntax: the do keyword precedes the block following by while. Example: even if x is initially 10, hello prints once, then the loop terminates. To the next one, looping through arrays, for of loop. If you're working with arrays, for of is a beautiful and clean loop. This loop goes through each item in the array and gives you the value directly. It's perfect for looping through elements without needing an index. Here's a simple index for of loop and an example of fruit array. This loop iterates through the fruits array. It prints each fruit's name directly, no index is needed. Next one is for each method. The usage: the for each method executes the provided function for each array element. It's concise and readable. Here's a simple syntax for each method which is used for looping through arrays. A simple example that iterates over numbers. It prints each number of multiplied by 2. It does not create a new way. Looping through objects, the for in loop. This will print each key pair in the object. Use it for objects, not arrays, because the order isn't guaranteed. Here's a syntax and simple example for in loop. So here we are at the end. After mastering the JavaScript loops, we will quickly recap. For loop, best for fixed iteration. Use for when you know how many times to run. Second one is while loop, condition based or unknown iterations. Use while when the condition is unknown. predictable. Next one is do while loop. Use do while when you need to run at least once. It's guaranteed first execution. For off and for each. Reiteration specialist. For in loop. Object property traversal. Reach at the end of the slide. Thank you.